Welcome to Mishna study, Masachat Shabbat, Perek Kaf Mishnah Dalet. Over here in this Mishnah, we're going to discuss feeding animals with food that was not necessarily prepared from before Shabbat. So, you go ahead and cut these gourd pumpkin in front of an animal, right, to give the animal to eat. Again, as long as these pumpkins were picked from before Shabbat, they're not attached to the tree, but you go ahead and cut them up, right? Usually they're fit for human consumption, or you let it go ahead and give it to the animal. And also if you have a carcass, dead animal, you go ahead and cut it up and give it to the dogs. Now, it wouldn't necessarily, that doesn't matter if the animal died before Shabbat. On Shabbat, Tana Kama allows you to go ahead and use this animal to cut it up and give it to the dogs for them to eat on Shabbat. Rabbi Yehuda argues, if it wasn't a carcass from Friday, from before Shabbat, then it's going to be asura. Why? Because it's muktzeh. It came into Shabbat as a live animal. You didn't have intention for it to be dog food, and then it died on Shabbat. So you can't just go ahead and give it to the dogs, right? That's according to Rabbi Yehuda. According to Tanna Kama, though, and halacha is like Tanna Kama, because halacha is not like Rabbi Yehuda. You would be allowed to give this food, to give this carcass to the animal, whether it died on Friday or even if it died on Shabbat.